Hi, it's Justin Costello coming to you from MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of this brand new Aviara 36. It's got the Ilmor drive system with 2 motors, this beautiful black hull with black interior, and this has been sitting in the South Florida sun all day and it's still cool to the touch because it's got cool touch seating. Look at this. Just the view off the back. An unimpeded view straight up to the water. The sun pad here turns into seating, stadium style seating, bar stools in the back, and then these will fold flat. Look at this. So now you have a big huge sun pad here. Walking in, tile flooring, very modern feel. And then look at all these plush seats, upholstered backrests, cup holders everywhere, huge sounds, clip sound system, subwoofer. This is the ultimate boat for down here in South Florida. Look at this huge fiberglass hardtop, speakers in the top so you can listen to music while you're at the beach or hanging out at the sandbar. Got a little refrigeration drawer here in the cockpit, starboard side couch. Again, also has a generator, air conditioning. I'll show you in the cabin. This is an insulated cooler box. And then a nice deep sink area here. It's also insulated, but you can put your, any bottles of water, wine bottles, liquor bottles. Perfect storage area right there. And as we work our way forward, notice how deep and high up these gunnels come. A very safe boat. Great blue water boat. Cross over to the Bahamas, go down to the Keys. Now let me show you this. So, sport day boat. We walk down 3 steps down into a cabin that again has air conditioning, a nice berth to sit, lay down, and then a large flat screen television with a sound bar so you can hang out here, play some music, watch some Netflix or Apple TV. A really comfortable place to get out of the sun. Got an electric flush toilet, sink, shower. Let's work our way to the bow. Again, this boat is available. It's at MarineMax Pompano Beach. You can give me a call at 954-633-2070. My name's Justin Costello. I'd love to get you aboard and show you this awesome boat. Just look at the space. It's a 36 Aviara, available at MarineMax Pompano Beach.